That was fun. Oh yeah, back over here with the shiny Stunky. Oh, what should I do? I can't hit him with Psychic. Hit him with Thief. Hit him with Thief. Thief. Oh shit, where is he at? I killed this. What the hell? You kidding me? Holy shit. That was my mistake. What the hell did I do? I didn't even see where he was at. Fuck it. Gotta reclaim it. Alright, lick my butthole. All that's left of you to do is just run away. Just run away. Escape. There's no significant reason for me to stay here. My second epic fail. I didn't know what the hell happened. Alright, I'll be in the reclaiming process. Stupid lick my butthole. Fuck you. Why don't you lick my butthole?